Good morning, students. This is math for class 9th. I hope you have completed your previous homework, and I also hope you are understanding by the watching video. If you have any problem, then you can ask related to the topic here. In exercise 2a, we are studied question number first, second, question number third, and question number fourth. Now we have question number 5 and 6 to solve here. In previous videos, we are studied about to the above questions. Here, question number 5. Question number 5 first. What is? Give an example of a polynomial of degree 5. Here we have to write a polynomial which degree is 5. Only we have to give an example which have degree 5. Here also we have a condition monomials. Mono means single. A single term which have degree 5. Suppose 4x, this is the single term, and here degree 5. Highest degree is 5. This is the monomial example. We can also write another example. 9y power 5 minus 6x to the power 5 under root 3 x to the power 5, etc. Only we have to see the power of terms which have 5. Now, second number, here give an example of a binomial of degree 2. Bi means 2, a nomial means terms. A polynomial which have 2 terms and which degree is 8. Here I am writing here 4x plus 3x. We have to represent here the highest power of term. Highest power of term is 8. So we will write here 8. This is the example of binomial which degree is 8. We can also write here 3y plus 10y to the power 8. This is also example of binomial. Third, give an example of trinomial of degree 4. Here we have to represent trinomial example which have trinomial. Tri means 3, and nomial means term. We have to write 3 terms. Suppose 3x plus 2x plus 5. Here 3 terms but we have to represent degree 4. So we will write here the highest degree is 4. This can be written as here 3x to the power 4. In this polynomial we have highest degree is 4. The highest power of variable is 4. So this polynomial is known as the 4 degree polynomial, or this is the example of trinomial of degree 4. Now we have next question number 4. Give an example of monomial of degree 0. It means constant term which degree is 0. 4, 5, 7, 9, -3, all of these are the example of monomial of degree 0. Here 4 can be written as 4 into x to the power 0. 5 also can be written 5 into x to the power 0. Also these terms also can be written. Here the degree is 0. So these are the example of monomial of degree 0. I hope you are understanding. Now we have question number 6. Question number 6. What is? Rewrite each of the following polynomials in a standard form. We have to write the given polynomial in a standard form. In a standard form, here 6 first, x minus 2x square plus 8 plus 5x cube. We know that in the standard form the polynomials terms are decorated higher power to the lower power or lower power to the higher power, highest degree to the lowest degree and lowest degree to the highest degree. Here the highest degree of this polynomial is 3. So this term will be written here first 5x cube. After this can be written minus 2x square. After this can be written as x plus 8. This is the answer. This is very easy. Next question. Here we have 2 by 3 plus 4y square minus 3y plus 2y cube. 2 by 3 plus 4y square minus 3y plus 2y cube. Here the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. So this term can be written first, at first 2y cube. After this can be written as here. This is the answer. We can also write just in ascending order. 2 by 3 minus 3y plus 4y square plus 2y cube. Also this can be written. Remains question you have to solve by self. I hope you are understood.